Blessed morning, happy Sunday morning to each and everyone around the world. Welcome to the channel. Vibes 39 is here, uploading this video from St. Thomas, Jamaica. So if you are new to the channel, warm welcome, man. Respect and unity and more health. Road to 10k subscriber. We know it can happen, you know? So just keep safe, keep healthy, and keep on supporting the channel. So just stay tuned, watch what I go on today. Content is about we're gonna cast out a place that we did box up kings and queen, yes. We board up some place from yesterday and King's Wicked Vlog turn up and help me pound up 2 more pieces of board. So it's time to get them cast out in the morning. Yes. So that is what we have planned to do today, kings and queens. So stay tuned, watch what I go on. I'm gonna go and clean up some meat meanwhile. Yeah, and put some peace to boil. So just big up on yourself, enjoy the video, and share it family and friends. And also go over King's Wicked Vlog channel, go subscribe to his channel, you know? Yes, I so see what we have doing now, kings and queen, this board up from yesterday. So now it's time for we get it cast out and bring it up, they go show how we attack. Yes, I see it. Yeah, man, come cross here in this one, same way, and cross here in that. Yes. Yeah, so this is where we have to do today. Yes, so go down here, so you know. Take time, set on the fire. Yes, so we have the fire. I go light on our kings and queen. Just stay tuned, watch what I go on, enjoy the video. Yes, I start broke up the stick them already, you know. Yes, so just time for me light it and put on the piece and get the meat clean up. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned, watch what I go on until you're ready for light the fire and clean up the meat, you know. Sorry about not having on any shirt, it's just because the work in the shirt them get wet up, you know. So just I go and do it this way and enjoy, see them way. Yes, no man. Yes, the fire start catching out, so it's time for we wash the peas and set it on, make it go and boil, you know. That is it, yes, I. Yeah. Yeah, fire start to blaze. Yes, I. Time to start clean up the meat and our kings and queen. So I'm go feed meat and come right back. Come cut it up and clean it up right there, so. Yes, I. Excuse me. Yes, I see meat, eh? Yes, so stay tuned. Watch what go on. Lens one clean. Yeah, much better. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned until me finish clean up the meat and I go season it when you see the process, right? Yeah. Yeah, time for yucks and our kings and queen. The meat done greater. The meat done season up. So we'll hook this right away. Yes, kings and queens, so just stay tuned until we almost finish greater coconut on the Suwagwan, you know? Yes, I. Yes, kings and queens, I last piece of coconut left to grate, you know, then we squeeze it, you know? This piece left. Countryside cooking outside on a Sunday. Nice. Yes, kings and queens, so just stay tuned until you're ready to put it in the pot. So I to see how it pot stay before we put it in there, you know? Yes, I. No want no water yet, kings and queens, see that? Water, nothing I see them way. Yeah, man, so that is it. Stay tuned until you're ready for the coconut milk in it. And then we make it boil and then, no, stay tuned till the peas boil. Then we put on the meat. Yes, I. Yes, kings and queens, the peas finish boil. The corner juice not go in there yet. So we are going to put on the meat first before we cook the rice, you know. So leave it in the comment section which one you cook first, your meat or your rice. Yes, on a Sunday, so just stay tuned, watch what go on. Yes, I. Yes, kings and queens. Once you squeeze your piece like this so your seed come out soft, you know say it boil. Yes. so we are gonna make that dry out, you know. You know what going in a fireside and the pot, you know, kings and queens. So the pot are dry out. We get for Yadi in the cooking oil. So just stay tuned. Watch what go on. Yes, I see the meat season up and a marinate. Yeah, man. We have a cooking oil right here, so we have warm style chicken today, you know? Yeah, man. So stay tuned until we're ready for have the oil in our pot on the see what go on, and then we drop in the meat. Yes, I. Yes, kings and queen, the pot dry out now, you know. It's time for you have the cooking oil in it. Yeah, man, to fry them. Home style cooking we are dealing with today, you know. Home style. Yes, I. So let me go for one fork. Let me go for one fork and come back where we're going to use. Store them. Yeah. Meanwhile, the oil hot, we are going to look. Sweet pepper when the time is right. Yes, I. Whoa. So let me go look on sweet pepper for now, kings and queens. Sweet peppers, sweet pepper. We go in at the pot. We go in at the pot. See that one I hang down till in drop off, so let me get him up. They want to tie up, you know. They want to tie up. We get one so far. We have pepper and sweet pepper. So go and work with them too, yeah. So we can go wash them off and get them cut up. Yes, I. But first, we have to put the meat them in a pot. Rest them right here, so. So whenever we're ready to eat, it's okay. Yes, so I'm going to put the meat them in the pot and I'm going to see what go on. Yeah, so we have to go make them the go on fry crisp until we're ready to turn them on the sour go on, you know? Yes, sir. So just stay tuned until then. Yes, sir. Yes, kings and queen, they meet them fry crisp. Uncle 2 piece left to fry crisp, so just stay tuned. I'm showing you what go on. We already cut up the carrot, the sweet pepper, the pepper, we put in it as vegetable, you know? So just stay tuned, see what go on. Yes, I. Yeah, man, them brown. a piece of left to get some brown too. That's it, you know? Yes, right. Like rain out to come across there, no kings and queens. Yeah, man. Like we out to get some rain. But that can't stop you from cook. Probably it can stop you from work, but not from cook. Yes, sir. Early dinner today, you know? That is it right way. You know where you go? Yeah, so we are going to use some of the coconut juice to cook down the meat as well, you know? Yeah, man. Because we don't want so much in the pot. Big up yourself, Chef in Nation. Yes, kings and queens, and go over there, go subscribe. Yeah, man. Yes, right. Fresh water that we put on it, you know, in a kings and queen, you know? Yes, man. So stay tuned until we're ready for add some more water, ready to take off the meat, then we put on the rice, you know? Yeah, man, big up on yourself all the time. Place look dark up, rain out to fall. Yes, kings and queen. We finally get to finish cook the meat and now so time for set on back the peas and throw the coconut milk in there. Put salt in there, put a spoon of sugar in there, make it boil and then wash the rice. Yeah, you have to make sure so your coconut milk boil out good. So whenever you cook your rice and peas, you can have some for Monday morning or Monday evening, because if it not boil out good, the coconut milk have a thing that it easy to spoil things if you not boil it good, you know. So just stay tuned, watch what go on. I have a God who never fails. I have a God who never fails. Jesus never failed me. Yeah, so we are going to throw a little salt in the rice pot. Yes, we are go ahead now and add a little sugar to put in the rice pot. Now we are going to get the coconut milk and add in the pot. So if we can in here, I can see what I go on. Make that go and boil, you know? Yes, right. But nothing we can add a little bit here in it again. So put him right here, so cover back that. This can cover this. So what we are doing now, kings and queen, we are going to wash out the things them we don't need and get them clean, put down, and get the rice in our pot. So whenever the coconut milk and the peas boil up and boil good, we throw the coconut, the rice in it, you know? Yes, I. So just stay tuned. Watch what go on. In a strange land. Yes, I. Time to start washing rice now, kings and queen, cause the coconut milk boil up really good. Yes, so time for we start get the rice wash. I have a God who's never failed. I have a God. I have a God who's never failed. I have a God who never failed me. Jesus never failed me. I have a God. I've done it before rain come down back and see how so look crowded. How if it tear down the place. Yeah man. So what's so look terrible. Yeah, time for show now. Oh, my pot look when it well boil up, you know. Yes, I. The time for open the cover and add in my rice. Can't move this little card area. Hold. Yes, kings and queen, I wanna go check out Sunrise Boss TV, you know? Check out Sunrise Boss and show him love and support. See him way. Great soul of content creator, you know? Yeah man. Sunrise Boss, large up yourself, bro. And also more to wanna check out Empress G TV. Watch our video them to the very end, so our channel can be monetized. Yes, kings and queen, check out Winstone Chronicle as well. Yeah man, LPG reaches 60k or 70k, you know? Yeah man, check out Oliver Lifestyle and Filter. Oliver and Filter, my fish. Yeah, so I go for one park and come back. Yes man. Yeah, kings and queens, see what I go on in the pot. Yeah man, check out Oliver Reloaded. See him here. When you know your fork stand up in there, you know it's the right amount of water, you know? Yeah man, the rice are going to come out shelly and grainy. The time to cover him down and make the fire go and do the work. Yes sir. So just stay tuned until the shearing and you see what go on. We will want to finish cook the food before the rain start coming down by Sunday morning. Yeah, man, so big up for yourself. Until then, we're out. Yes, sir, work. I go start now. Rice almost done steam. Meat done cook. Yes, no man. King's Wicked Vlog check in a Kings and Queen. I know I go. Yes, no man. Yes, sir. Yes, man. Yes, sir. So look like it's off. Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah, do man. Yeah, man, any one of them.
Yes, sir.
Not supposed to a barrel one. So I get all overload.
Yeah. Yeah, no, come down good then. Yes, sir. Level of this for now.
close. Round for the bottom. So cement time.
Yeah.
Spreading out the cement. Go up, man. Yeah. Alright, man. You have to pressure your back.
set him up now. Yeah, we have to take off a mix in one area now. Yes, sir. Up there, sir. Are you yours? You can walk there.
I walk over. So the boss are wet up at top the people so we can start chewing some concrete. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Look at the concrete come and mature it in a box in there and now things are clean.
Well,
yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, so stay tuned until we almost finish, you know? And so go on. Yes, sir.
people, we go up on the last part, you know. Over that part they finish.
Yeah.
So we go up on that part, there's wheat. So I got you up them two buckets. Right.
Huh? Water. Yes, kings and queen, welcome back. If you make it this far, one, we say big respect. Thanks again and appreciate watching, liking, comment and share. And I also appreciate King's Wicked for passing through today again, you know? That is it. So we just level off right here, so I'm going to share some food and eat and relax. Yes, I. So go on now. Then one, so this one leave, so we just throw it down there and level them out. I'm going to show them one I boxing now. We pull up this one and we end up boxed up the two sides here and we are up this and down there, so I'm trying to have a contract now. Yes, man. So we're going to Kings and Queen. Right round and round. over this of the wall, so yes, I round and round. Yeah man, so what leaf we do and now cut some bamboo. One next day to get ready to start board it up and steel it up. Yes I. Yeah man. I'm yes man. Here, the food and I know. Wash me and get the food and sharing. God, the battery is dead in. Yes, I. Yes, kings and queen of mine shirt. It's just for two of us. If we're cooking for other visitors, we would be in shirt, you know, but through the time, huh? Piece of rain make up his face. Make up his face cross this so I come. Start Jew already. Rain go away. Yo! See this here? See the right pie barrel here, I'm going to show out some food there before the rain come down.
Wow, thing.
Yes, sir. See my barrel.
Yeah, enough. Hasta pa wait ako sa mga tayo.
I crave it. When I come see kid, come for the food.
God, boy, you know.
Yes, I. Yes, kings and queens, see them here? Nice, 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 nice. Nice, 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 nice. Yes, I. Yeah, man.
Yeah, people, so we out here, you know. Just done finish the hard work.
Yes,
As
man.
you know. Food time. You see what I go on? We there go on full jar the food, people.
Yeah.
Remember, if you watch the video reach to this far, oh my God, you need to subscribe.
Yeah.
Rain or fall, they are consume food.
Yeah,
Man.
man. See me, I go
So
beat
give
up
me a
someone
subscribe
for
and
me
a like
now.
over here.
Yeah, man. And
Yeah, man.
you're watching for my behalf, you can just go over King's Wicked Vlog or subscribe.
That
and
is
share.
it, man. Appreciate the
Yeah,
love every
man.
time, you know.
That is it, maybe. Yeah,
You
man.
get another food there, you know. All the returning subscriber them, welcome, same way, and
Yeah,
big up.
man. Yeah, man. Yes, people. We will get down in this here now. Yes, I. Yes, man. Good, nice.
The bad man is fully wicked, you know.
Nice, man.
You feel the coconut juice, you know.
Yeah. So if I make it this far in our video, yeah, man, appreciate it and see you in the next one and continue watching the channel, you know.
That is it, man.
it. Yeah,
Active
man.
people.